Training that we went to was presented by Dr. Dwayne Bryant from Chicago. Didn't know anything about it walking into the training, so it was pretty organic when we walked in. Had an idea what it was going to be about, but the way he presented the information, he started off with a kind of like an introduction of what he was presenting and kind of the topics of discussion, and then that kind of morphed into having an open discussion of everybody's different points of views. And it was nice to actually see an environment that you were, I guess it was a kind of a carefree environment, that it didn't really matter what your point of view was. You weren't going to be attacked, or you weren't going to be able to dominate somebody else's point of view, and to look at the overall systemic issues that society currently is facing and has been facing for a very long time, to get the perspective of somebody else was nice. I look at it from the law enforcement perspective of the old adage of there's only a few bad apples in law enforcement, and when you have the most awesome power in the world, and that's to take somebody's freedom away, one bad apple's too many. And so when we have leaders from different departments saying that 95% of your police department is good, well, that other 5% can crush the public. And the public is our customer base. It always has been, always will be. And if you aren't doing it 100% correct all the time, then you always have room for improvement, and you need to be humble and understand that. I think that law enforcement officers should at least give this a chance and go to this training, just for the simple fact of being able to gain perspectives that you might not see or believe in. And if you don't understand where somebody else is coming from, you're not going to be able to effectively communicate and even come to a compromise over the complex situations that society presents us right now. I know that there's a lot of officers that feel that our profession is quote unquote under attack, or they take these negative things that they see in the media and that are broadcasted out there as a personal attack on their own integrity and stuff. And if you give something like this a chance, to where you get to see others' perspectives, you can take some ownership to try to correct that narrative that we are trying to do something, and we always have room for improvement. I mean, like I said, the public is our customer base, and we need to do what we need to do to make sure that they feel like they're taken care of. I think the public should go, because I truly believe that Dr. Bryant can provide a perspective of law enforcement in general to the public, so that they can kind of understand where law enforcement's coming from. I think the biggest issue that we have right now is people are very passionate about the situations that we're dealing with in society, and they're not listening to the other side to come to compromise, because they want their voice heard over the next voice. And I think that he creates an environment to where he can kind of open your mind to the different perspectives, that whether you're a citizen of the city of Kent, a law enforcement officer of the city of Kent, or a elected official of the city of Kent, that you can start seeing the overall issue from everybody else's perspective. Chicago Bears suck and the Hawks rock. Out.